No.
Tricky hire Tricky Screech.
Hold on, I'll try to tricky Screech. Hold on. To work? A tea kettle? Man, shut up. Hi, Fallen.
Hi, Coco.
Hi, Sphinx. I don't... Okay. Hi,
Was not
kidneys.
expecting you to screech. That made me laugh so hard I cried.
Oh.
Still laughing as I typed this.
Hi, IDK. Is that...
Hi, Coco.
Should I just steal Tricky's thing? Hi, Donut.
Hi, Coco.
Hi, Turtle. Hi, Lehman. No, I can't. I can't do that. I would destroy my fucking vocal cords if I screeched all the time. I made a chatter cry! Oh! I've done it. I've made a chatter cry. I'm so proud of myself. That was my ultimate goal. I have finally achieved it. Nirvana. Yay! Hi, Steel Golem.
Holy shit, I still haven't completely calmed down from your screeching.
Dude, it's been like an hour! Maybe your message just wasn't good enough. Hi, Aster. I honestly, my mind just grabs a random fucking message. It's not like a quality thing. I just latch on. I just see one and I go, yeah.
Go back.